Hello everyone. So if you want to use Google Assistant on the lock screen of your Vivo X80 Pro, first of all we had to activate it. So open up your Google application, at the top right corner find your account icon, tap on it and find settings. Now in your settings you are to find your Google Assistant, Hey Google and voice match, and let's enable it. Simply tap on the switch near your Hey Google. Now we are to retrain our voice model. We need to train our assistant to recognize our voice. Let's do this. Now let's read the phrases which are shown here. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Right, it's ready. Let's press next. And let's try it out. So if we're gonna lock our screen and let's say, hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow?
In Prod 3, it'll be mostly cloudy with a high of...
So as you see, it works great, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.